So when money makes money, and the money that money makes more money, you get compound interest, according to Ben Franklin. I'm checking out the blog that the team just put together on compound interest, and there's some goodies in here, but you want to stick around to the end where I show you how to supercharge compound interest with something you probably didn't know. So we get into simple interest versus compound interest. So look, simple interest is basically taking a dollar amount, having a percentage of interest it earns, and applying the same exact amount over and over. Compound interest is when you take the principal balance, you come up with a percentage of interest it's going to earn, and every time it earns that interest, that adds to the new principal amount, and the interest pays on the new larger amount, compounding and making the principal portion bigger and bigger, meaning the same percentage of interest earning against a larger pool of money means you earn more dollars every time. Hence Ben Franklin's, when the money that was made by money makes more money, it's compound interest. There's a lot of different types of accounts you can get into. Some will pay simple, but if you can get compound, your return by the end of the term will be significantly more than if it's just earning simple interest. So good way to look at it: when you pay interest, you'd rather have simple. When you're earning interest, you'd rather have compound. The way you supercharge this is if you can take the principal earning interest, the interest earning interest, and deferring the taxes so that all of what would have had to be paid in taxes also earns interest. I call it triple compounding interest. When you use an annuity contract, this allows you to take money that's normally taxable as it earns and put it into a tax sheltered contract, which now earns interest on all three of those. And you control when the taxes are paid based on when you want to pull that money out and spend it. Either way, taxes will be owed, but the net total return is greater because we did not have to take any money out of there to pay the taxes as it earned. So anyway, an annuity may or may not be a right fit for you. You've got to look into it. There's all different types of annuities that assume different risk levels and return profiles, but if it's the right fit, it allows you to supercharge compound interest by adding one more money-making piece that you get to earn from. Check out the blog, policyengineer.com, read through it. I don't know if we can help you until we meet with you one-on-one, but if this is interesting to you, it may provoke you to set up a conversation. Either way, thanks for checking in.